So on the worksheet that you just got, it says equations, two variable terms, C. So on number 1, solve each equation below. So you're gonna find your equal sign and dot it. Put your finger on both of the variable terms. Is the equal sign in between them?
Yes.
So since the equal sign is in between them, does that mean we need to combine them or get rid of one of them?
Get rid of them.
Get rid of one of them. And which one do we want to get rid of? The one on the
Right.
right. Yeah. Now we could technically get rid of the one on the left, but
It's harder.
Yeah.
it's not harder. It's just I want you guys to get good at one method and stay with it.
Yes.
The other ones you'll figure out pretty quick. So put your finger on the variable term on the right side. That is positive 9x's. So remember when I threw that candy at you? Because I needed to get rid of it. That means I don't need to have any of them there. So I need to throw this candy. This is positive, so I'm going to use negative 9x. Are these opposites?
Yes.
So does this one have a variable?
No.
Does this one have the variable up?
Yes.
So I'm gonna write my negative 9x right below it, circle my like terms. Now I'm gonna go back and combine them. So 13x's plus negative 9x is, good job, positive 4x. Because the 13 is higher than the negative number. Bring down my negative 31, my equal sign, and then when I combine on the right side, positive 9 plus negative 9 equals 0. So did we literally get rid of it?
Yes.
Yeah, we literally got it to equal 0. Bring down your negative 67. Last week, I just had you stop here after you did this prep work. Today, you're going to go ahead and solve the two-step equation. So here's your variable. How am I going to get rid of this constant term? Positive. By doing the opposite. Make sure that these are truly opposites though. What I do on the, and then if they are, you have to do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to combine them. Negative 67 plus positive 31 is negative 36, is that right?
Yes, brother.
Combine these, negative 31 plus positive 31, and you get 0. So we got rid of those. Bring down the,
4x. And the one step, yeah.
yep.
Yeah.
Now this is just the one step, oh, I love that she said one step. This is just the one-step equation part. When we have a number and a variable and nothing in between, this is what type of math problem? Multiplication. And what's the inverse or the opposite of multiplying? So I'm going to divide everything by 4. 4 divided by 4 is?
1.
So I'm literally writing down 1x. Negative divided by positive is a negative. No, negative divided by positive is a negative. Now, 36 divided by 4 is 9. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if the biggest number is a negative, is the answer going to be a negative?
Only if you're adding and subtracting. Boys, problem B. Find your equal sign and dot it. Quiet, please. Notice we still have two variable terms. Put 2 fingers on each, or put a finger on each of the variable terms. Is the equal sign in between them?
No.
No, they're both on the left side of the equation, so should we combine them or get rid of one of them?
Combine.
Combine. So here is where I circle my like terms because I'm needing to combine them. Guys, when you do your combining problem, do it over here by the margin. Do not write it down below here, because some of that U is causing us some problems. So just over to the side at the margin, just write down what's inside of your circles. Remember, you have to circle what sign is in front of them, and we're going to combine them. Negative 20x plus positive 5x is negative 15x. As I heard someone say. Then we're gonna write this down over underneath my equation. Bring down your negative 90, your equal sign, and your negative 45. Once we did that prep work, what type of problem do we have? A two-step equation. Now, we can just solve our two-step equation. So put your finger on your variable, slide it over to your constant term. What sign is in front of the constant term? Negative. So we need to get rid of this constant term in order to solve this equation. What's the positive? Yes, we're gonna do the opposite. Circle your like terms, and now what are we gonna do to our like terms? Combine them, so I'm gonna take negative 45 and combine with positive 90 and come up with positive 45? When I combine negative 90 and positive 90, I get 0. So did we literally get rid of that constant term on the left side?
Yeah.
Yay! Bring down your negative 15x. What type of equation do we have? One-step equation. Now, because there's only one more thing that we need to do. This is what type of math problem? What's the inverse of multiply? So you're going to divide everything by negative 15. Negative divided by negative is a positive. So did we rip the positive or the negative away from the x?
Yes.
Yay! 15 divided by 15 is? 1. So did we rip the 15 away from the x?
Yes.
So literally 1x. Positive divided by negative is a? Negative. And then 45 divided by 15 is? Go ahead, stop the video.